You see the Lamborghini in the background. 24-year-old makes $750,000 per week.
$1,000 days. I've had $200,000. The average is maybe around like 600, sometimes 750,000.
Got your girl calling me baby.
Wow.
Men and women, boys and girls,
Goodness
we're still out
me.
here in Miami. Right now, we're gonna go link up with Lambo Raul.
Got a new pass, looking so spacey.
There's a bunch of copyright here because I don't even know this song, but yeah, let's skip.
Young and you make that. And also, most importantly, we're gonna pick his brain because you know when you're that young and you make that much money, you're doing something right. And it's important for y'all because this is what this channel is about, bringing value to y'all. Okay, I want everybody to grow. I want everybody to be successful. Whoever watches this channel, I want y'all to be successful. With that being said, I do have a private community that I made for y'all with like-minded.
Let's get to it.
For years, for a long time
For real?
now.
I didn't even know this guy. Oh, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, bro. It's an honor to be on your channel, bro.
This guy, he's young. How old are you?
24, bro.
24. You could already tell. Like, look at the whips. This is ridiculous. Like, the crib, and he.
Guys, this is possible for you, man. Don't be the junkie or the brokey that just watches these and, oh my days, that's nice. Oh wow, I'll never have that. I make these videos not to just influence you, but to impress upon you as to what is possible. You can do it. If you can do it, if it's possible for one, then it's possible for all. So I'm saying, look, go after your dreams, man. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, especially if you're a young man. Become reckless and savage. Get in the gym. Stop putting in the work.
He actually just bought a new house too. Like this is not even like it's bigger than this, but you know we're still blessed to see what's going on. But for the people that don't know who you are, right?
Yeah.
Who are you? You know, you got all these cars, you got a beautiful house. Like, what do you do?
My name is Raul. I'm known as Lambo Raul online. Some people, bro, it's so weird because I be at the gas station, bro. People come up to me, yo, Lambo, what's good? I'm like, bro, that's not my name. So,
Lambo.
Yeah,
hey, Lambo.
Yeah, bro. So I'm a day trader, an investor, and entrepreneur.
Okay. How much money are you making? Oh, can I ask that question? How much are you making a month?
Yeah. So
or a day,
month,
or what's going on here?
I mean, bro, I've had $100,000 days. I've had $200,000 days. I've had $250,000 days. I day trade and I also own multiple businesses.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I day trade. I also own multiple businesses.
We definitely want to pick his brain a little more, but can we get a whips tour and a house tour first?
I'm gonna have to mute this whilst he shows off the cars. I hate, like, when people are getting money, they just flash all sorts of copyrighted music on their videos because they don't care. But they don't think of people like us, okay? All right, we want to watch the video in peace without the interruption. So obviously he's flashing his car. What's this? A Porsche, okay? And then I see there's a Lamborghini on that side. It seems like he lives in Dubai. I don't know. Let me know, boys. Let me know where you think he lives, but let's get back to it. It seems like they're talking
350,000.
350K.
Yeah.
350. This is a beauty right
just
here.
350,000. It's a very elegant spec.
I
My
hate
daily
Porsches.
driver, which is my Rolls Royce Cullinan.
Nice.
Damn.
So I actually bought this Rolls because I had a previous Rolls that I sold for a Urus, and I'm like, I regret it because the Urus is small.
Yeah.
You know, I'm like, I like to get in a big car sometimes, and I like quiet and peace.
Yeah.
So I bought the Cullinan, and actually, I have another Cullinan on order
coming
from Rolls Royce, and it's a custom spec, bro.
Okay. How much was this one?
Yeah. This one I think I bought for 430,000.
430,000. Jeez, Louise, bro.
It's not the Cullinan. That's the thing with cars, bro. Like if you want to get cars and you want to make money on the cars and you don't want to lose bread, you have to get it. You have to invest into the spec. You can't just go get a base model car because it's never gonna appreciate. So that's why I got this specific SVJ because this is a matte blue paint.
The freaking SVJ, bro.
Yeah,
this
bro.
is crazy.
Yeah. So this is my 2022 SVJ Roadster, one of 800 factory
800K
matte blue paint. 996,000 I bought this car for. Some cars are gonna be liabilities, like my Rolls Royce. I know, like, hey, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna lose 10-15%. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. But in other cars, it's like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna actually get the right type of car so I can actually make money on the cars. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. On top of that, it's a business write-off. I can write it off in my taxes too. Then we have my 2022. I just got this recently in December as a Christmas gift for myself. 2022 SF90
This is
Stradale. This is
sick.
Yeah, bro.
You said you just got this, right?
In December. Yeah. So again, like same thing. Like all of my cars are lowered on Velos wheels. My SVJ, I mean, has a full exhaust. This one's lowered, full exhaust.
This one was what, like?
I actually got this one for a steal, bro. Yeah. Yeah, in the 650s. This is my wife's Urus that I bought her. Cause my wife, like, she had a Range Rover. You know what I mean? And this old Range Rover, it was kind of like, I don't want to say falling apart.
Yeah.
But I was like, you know what? Like, that's my wife, bro. She loves me. She'll support me to the end. I know for 100%. A fact, if I were to lose everything, she would still.
Are you sure? because love can make men blind. And be careful. I don't know if you guys saw the video I posted about some guy who spent $350,000 on his divorce. Married a Ukrainian chick from Ukraine. Yeah, Ukraine, I believe. And yeah, she took everything. He used to buy property in her name. And by the way, this guy is financially like literate. He's a millionaire basically. Okay, he's a millionaire. But yet, because of love, they've sung in so many songs. Love made me blind. Love made me blind. He was blinded, started buying things, assets for her in her name. So when they had a divorce, straight away, they took those assets because it was in her name. He didn't set up any trusts, which if you're going to buy a major investment, set up a trust. It's going to run you back about 40 grand, but it's going to be worth it because in case of a divorce, then you're not decimated and they take half of what you've been earning for your entire life. You're a man. We know how difficult this stuff is. Working a dead-end job and then only to lose it when you're at your weakest. So when you're in your 50s and 40s and then you get decimated. I've spoken to so many homeless guys on the street and they tell me I used to have a nice house, big house, this, and then my wife got a divorce, filed for divorce because it's women. I'm just keeping it 100. Women file for divorce more than men. This is stats, okay? Go check, you see what I'm talking about. And then he got decimated. So this happens too much. So I hope this man is being wise and not like, oh, my wife, oh. All right.
Be by my side, sitting with me at the bus stop, waiting for me to rebuild back. So she deserves it, bro.
Oh hell yeah, bro.
So yeah, I bought her
this
year.
one like?
This one was 350,000, which I also got a Urus Performante.
She sounds like a diehard. So
yeah. I've got so many. I've got 3 cars on order, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's ridiculous.
Bro, this guy is crazy, man.
Listen, at least at my new house, I got the 3-car garage and I could fit 3 cars on the driveway, so I'm gonna have no problems with all my new cars I got here.
Bro, I'll tell you this: when you get your new house, we gotta do a video on that.
For sure.
Let's check out the crib right now, man, because this is still beauty.
Wrapped around my finger, babe. You drop everything just to come and stay.
Music
Crash
again,
in the-
goodness me. This guy is trying to get my video copyrighted, literally.
Come to my home.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Not bad, brother. Go dog.
The dog doesn't like black guys. The dog was chilling as soon as he saw, okay, the owner saw a black guy and it's like, bark, nigga, get out of here. You don't belong.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Not bad, brother. Go dog.
That's not a dog. That's family. I look in the corner. I see a
That
Ducati.
ain't family. They even cut the clip. Look, they skipped to the next clip because I think the black guy thought that's family. Hey, little buddy. He probably got bitten, or the dog carried on barking. So he's like, all right, buddy, let's skip this.
Go dog.
That's not a dog. That's family. I look in
The dog is like, I ain't your family ever.
the corner. I see a Ducati. What's going on here, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You
So
boys
this
know I'm
was
joking,
one of
right?
my bikes. I have a lot of bikes actually.
Yeah.
This is the Ducati 4S. So I actually crashed on this bike, and then I found out I was gonna have a baby. So I was like, bro, I'm done. I'm done with the bikes. You know what? I'm not gonna sell it 'cause it's beautiful. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put it in the crib. It's like a perfect piece of art for the crib, bro. Especially,
I like it.
Yeah, especially in my new crib, bro. Like it's just floor to ceiling windows at the front of the house, and it's gonna be right there on display, bro.
No, that's dope. So this is
bro.
the entryway. I could look. This is
entryway,
like
bro.
3 stories. This is
Yeah,
crazy.
3 stories. We'll
shoot.
go all the way around. I don't want to show you guys the garage, bro, because
you're good.
we're getting ready to move to our new house, and
Hell
it's
yeah.
a mess. This is considered like a second living room area. There's a little fireplace there. Never used. We're in Miami, bro. It's too hot.
Yeah, I know, right?
Stop all
Freaking,
that,
bro. This is crazy.
At the kitchen space.
This is dope. You just bought some new kicks, or what's going on here?
Area. Yeah, nah. I've been getting into golf, bro.
Really?
Yeah, our business meetings are on the green now.
Hey, bro.
So.
If you're rich, you got to get into golf, right?
Yeah, and then we got the backyard, bro. You know, my wife, she's an Instagram and
Okay.
TikTok influencer. It's the backyard, bro. It's small, bro.
You be swimming or not?
Yeah, sometimes we'll have a little barbecue, chill in the pool. That's the barbecue area. That's the first barbecue area.
What's the square footage of this home, and then how much does this home cost?
So this home, I think it's around 4,700 square foot. I don't know if that's living space or entire lot. I think maybe the entire lot is 5,000 square feet.
Okay.
And it's for sale for 2.8.
Yeah, damn. Yeah. So are you currently renting this one?
Yeah, this house I rented because I sold my last house and I was like, I need to move somewhere quick. I have, 30 days before they send me the wire. And I found this home. It was for rent for $15,000 a month. And I just wrote the entire You're off, bro.
That's not bad, huh?
Yeah.
15,000 a month.
No.
And then a new crib.
Yeah, the new.
You're buying that.
Yeah, my new
What's your
crib is gonna
mortgage?
be
Let me
homeowner.
stop right there
My mo-
real quick, man. 15,000 a month, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. And you're struggling to even make like 4,000 or 3,000 per month. But his rent is 15K a month. And what I'm saying is he bleeds red just like you and I. He doesn't have blue or green blood. So that's why I'm always a major advocate. Like if you, as long as you're watching somebody else do it, never just think, oh, I'm just going to be a viewer in the back seat just watching. Bro, go after it. After you watch these videos, like research dropshipping. What can I do? I need to get out of the situation. Nobody's coming to save you. With your bomber clock self, nobody's coming to save you. Wake up, man. Wake up. This videos get me so gassed and hyped as to what is possible, because I never say, oh, I'm not gonna do that, I can't do that. It's like, no, if it's possible for one, it's possible for all, man. I'm gonna go out there and do it. Let's see the comments quickly and then we're gonna get back to the video. I remember when I just got into crypto in 2019, but he's writing a whole love story, man. That's too long. But it must be good though, because 200 people liked it. It's funny that you used to investor. Okay, cool. If I had a, all right, cool. It's obviously very inspirational, because everybody right here is writing like 3 paragraphs or 2 paragraphs, but paragraph sentences. But we ain't got time for that. So let's jump into the good parts now. So the seeing the house. Hopefully you guys can see that, the more of the house. Oh, is that YouTube? Oh, no.
And every day it's just a reminder that I'm reaching all my goals. You know what I
Absolutely.
mean?
And congrats on 100K subs.
Thank you, bro.
That's what's up.
Oh, I knew it. You know I'm on YouTube, right? I just knew it. I was like, is that YouTube? And then yeah, so he's on YouTube. Snoo, this ain't his channel. This is the black guy's channel. So that's the black guy's channel, right? Snoo J knows, because this was recommended to me, so I don't really know anybody here. Okay, cool.
That's
Thank you,
dope.
bro.
That's
Yeah,
dope.
yeah.
That's a huge accomplishment. For
Yeah,
sure.
bro. So I got my 2 watch boxes there, the AP and
Oh, the watch
Richard.
is in there?
No, but I'm wearing one on my wrist, the other one's in the safe, bro.
This is Richard Mill right here, right?
Yeah, this is the Richard Mill RM 055 Bubba Watson with factory set diamonds.
How much?
I bought this one. It's funny because I bought this watch twice, but right now I just paid $325,000 before tax.
Damn, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And I never see a bust down a wedding ring, bro.
Yeah,
Wow, bro. How much is
These
that?
are 13 pointers. I paid $13,000 for this.
I know I probably won't do this for free.
Oh, my
I know
days,
good
man.
people don't just grow on trees.
Once again, let's mute this copyright. We just viewed the house. So that's what I'm saying. Like literally, people with 13K ring and all of this. So don't just settle for like your 3 grand. Some of you guys don't even make 3 grand a month. So don't even settle for that bit and just say, okay, it's possible, and just keep grinding and keep hustling. Well, this Mona Lisa looking scary painting ish. Who done that? Let's see.
Yeah, bro. So I mean, over there, I have my daughter's room.
Okay.
And then a guest bedroom. I'll show you guys this room. This is my wife's like glam room.
Oh, this is fire.
Yeah. Yeah, whenever she's gonna record content or really do anything, bro, she'll come in here and get her work done. My favorite part about her room, bro, is a Dior stroller.
I was just gonna ask about that. I was like, is
This
that a Dior stroller?
Bro, you'll not believe how much a stroller costs, bro.
Let me guess. 40?
13K.
Nah,
More?
32. No, way less.
Well,
It was like 6,000.
If you know, you know why I'm laughing. Isn't it the worst when you tell someone to guess, oh bro, guess how much I paid for this, and then they guess way too high, and then it automatically makes whatever you have now trash. He's like, oh, 40? He's like, oh no, I paid 6 grand for this. It's like, oh okay, well, it's not that expensive. Why was you trying to flex?
$1,000.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, that's actually, that's kind of a good deal, no?
Yeah. I mean, for a
Exactly what I just told you. Exactly. Now the guy in white is forced to be like, well, I mean, I was trying to wow you and say, you know, it's expensive, but you just ruined it with your 40 grand a month. So yeah.
stroller.
I mean, I wouldn't know.
For a stroller. Wait till you start getting into wait till you have your own kids, bro. You'll see. And then I'll tell you guys my master bedroom.
Fire.
There's just kind of like a regular little hangout area.
Chill spot.
Yeah, this is my master bedroom.
Ooh.
It's nice, bro.
This
It's pretty
is nice,
spacious.
bro. Yeah, you got a
Yeah.
living room in your master bedroom.
Yeah. Oh
This-
my god, bro. And in my new crib, Because the closet is what really sold me on actually renting this specific house.
Yeah.
And my new house, bro, my new closet's the size of this entire master bedroom.
Damn.
It's ridiculous, bro. It's
I
ridiculous,
can't, bro.
bro.
We gotta come back to Miami, boys
Yeah,
and
bro,
girls.
100%. The thing about this closet too, like when you walk in, right, it has like these lights that just.
Oh, yeah. That's fire. The kid collection. Ooh.
Yeah. The shoes. I mean, all I wear is Amiri, so I've got my whole like Amiri section over here, bro, which is basically all
Let
I
me
wear.
ask, why Amiri?
I don't even know Mary.
Bro, I just like the brand compared to like Dior, Louis Vuitton. You know, it's just Amiri to me. It shows a little more personality, especially on what type of Amiri you wear. You know,
Yeah.
because you have like your more like elegant, you have your more streetwear. Ultimately, that's just kind of why I rock with Amiri, bro.
I feel it. Pick your favorite Amiri shirt right now. Show it. Ooh. How much does this piece go for?
Bro, I think this one was like, I don't know, maybe like $700.
Goodness.
Yeah.
I mean,
Bro, no,
Is he
I have
wasting money,
Amiri
guys?
jeans that cost me like $4,000, bro.
Jeez, yeah,
like
that's
these
crazy.
jeans, bro. These Amiris, bro. These were like $3,000.
Yeah, those are fire.
Bro, if I were to tell you what I spent at Amiri last year, you wouldn't believe me.
400?
Nah, it's in the six figures, but it's not 400.
Okay, like a 200.
Yeah, around there.
I'm telling you, it's dangerous letting people guess. Because now it just seems like, 200, okay. 400, you see what I mean? So very often, just say the number. But I'm saying 3K on a pair of jeans. And some people aren't making that monthly. You have to hustle. If you're a young man, you have to hustle. Nobody's coming to save you.
Last year?
Around there. Last year.
Favorite sneakers, bro, before we leave.
Oh, favorite
Yeah.
sneakers? Nah, I think it's these from Amiri.
Oh,
For sure. These are tough, bro. These are the newer drops.
Okay.
For me, but you see, bro, all of my sneakers are just all of me. Like I only wear these sneakers over here, unless like I'm wearing the Air Force Ones. I just kind of like dog around.
Cold heart, pretty face, love to chase, big mistake, no give or take, they all the same.
I think this is the best part about the house.
Ooh. All right, another floor, boys and girls. You throw parties here or what?
Yeah, of course. Over here, I mean, you have like a guest shower and sink,
Okay.
and then you got the balcony, the terrace.
Oh, yeah? So this is why you don't need a backyard, because the backyard's right here.
Yeah. Literally. No, we've thrown parties out here. We've had our baby shower out here.
This is fire.
Everything. It's just a great space to host.
Hell yeah.
You got the TV over there, the jacuzzi over there.
Do you ever you ever try to jump
We've
this,
talked
bro?
about it. We've talked about it. It's like, nah, you can definitely clear this.
Oh my
Clear
God.
three
That's
stories
it.
down.
You think you can
Yeah,
clear
bro.
it for real?
I think I can clear it.
But it's like the mental thing.
I've
How
got,
you're
yeah,
like,
nah. I know I've got hops, bro. I can clear it.
"Gosh." My man, thank you for showing me the crib,
No, bro,
the
of
whips. It's crazy. You're only 24 years old.
24.
And
Now
you-
let's get into the deep
That
stuff.
is-
24.
Stumbled
So
upon
what
trading
does he do?
stocks
Okay,
at first, and I
okay.
actually got into day trading through Forex, but ultimately I stopped trading Forex. I started trading commodities.
Okay.
So I was trading gold, silver, and then nowadays, over the last 2 years, I'm actually trading indices, which is essentially like futures. So I'm trading the S&P 500,
Okay.
NASDAQ, the Dow Jones. Those are the three assets that I actually focus on day trading every single day.
Okay.
And then day trading and the money that I made from day trading allowed me to actually start my own businesses and my own investments.
Yeah.
And it literally all happened because of day trading.
That's crazy. So, okay, 18 years old, you're how did you even teach yourself? Did you buy a couple courses
I bought
maybe?
a bunch of courses, bro.
Okay.
So like I first started day trading when I was 18, when it's legally when you can open up your first like actual
Yeah.
live account.
Yeah.
Right, but obviously before, like I was learning regardless online, YouTube, Google. I bought a course and I actually invested into my own first live account because I had a bike. Right at the time, when I was living with my parents, I had a
Yeah.
CBR 600. It was like a 2004. It was a piece of
You're
bro.
200. That's crazy.
Yeah, bro. It was a complete piece of bike that I got for like $3,000, bro. And I ended up selling it for like around like $3,000, like maybe
Yeah.
like $2,900 because like I was living at my parents' crib and they're like, no, there's no way you're gonna have a bike, bro. They took everything that I had away from me, my phone, so I had to start paying for my own phone and everything. And I sold my bike for like $2,900, $3,000 or whatever. Just sold it super quick. I put $1,500 into a live trading account and I spent the rest on courses.
Yeah.
And that's literally how I got started.
Yes, look, guys, see, you got to invest in yourself. So investing in like like the right courses though
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah,
important.
the right
Like
courses,
the right courses, masterminds, events like that. Like it's
Always,
very
bro.
important.
Even to this day, bro,
yeah.
I'm still investing in the courses and myself.
Because a lot of people like they say like, oh, it's a scam, this and that. But the thing is, it's like you gotta. It's the people that you're investing
For
from.
sure,
yeah,
for sure.
yeah. That's all. It
Yeah,
is.
bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like in the industry that I'm in, there is a lot of scams out there. There's a
Yeah.
lot of people who are selling courses that don't know what they're talking about. And how I've always separated myself is, okay, let's say I have an $100,000 trading day. I'll show the entire withdrawal process. I'll be like, all right, look, here's the deposit. Here's the deposit actually leaving my bank account. Here's the deposit landing in my crypto wallet. Here's the deposit landing into my trading account. Here's the actual trading. And sometimes I even record the videos live.
Yeah.
So you see me enter the position, exit the position. I'll go through the entire trade, why I took the position, why I got in where I did, why I got out where I did, where my stop loss was,
Yeah.
where my take profit was. A lot of people don't understand, like, trading isn't just like a way of like, oh, you know what, like, I think the market's gonna go up, I'm just gonna press buy. No,
Yeah,
you
it's
have to
whole.
understand
Yeah.
probabilities. You have to understand why the market's moving in the direction it is. You know, our interest rates high, our interest rates low.
So what he's saying right now is just the basic stuff about day trading and you know, taking your stop losses, making sure you're not getting greedy. It's pretty much a control over greed, because you can do well, but you can also do very, very bad. I mean, I don't know about you. Do you remember the Robin Hood situation when that boy deleted? He pressed delete on his own life, you know, and because he owed Robin Hood, I think like, I don't know, what, $250,000 or something like that, or even more, something ridiculous. Where he's like, how am I gonna pay that back? I'm in debt for what? For 250K? Forget that. So he ended up doing a madness. But this is why you need to be vigilant, boys, and you can't get ahead of yourself or get too hungry. Let's see what this
At 4,200.
Gotcha.
Because then what you do there is, okay, I'm gonna risk $10,000 to try and gain $30,000.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
And then
okay.
that's where like the whole risk management and everything actually ties in.
Okay, no, that's very good advice for people that are trying to learn.
Yeah.
Is there like a check? Do you like just do it all like within like yourself, or do you have like a checklist? Like, hey,
Good
like
question.
let me check this off. Okay, that checks off. Okay, now let me do this. Okay, now let me go ahead and
Yeah,
take
no,
a position.
so everything is done. So like trading is a business.
Yeah.
You want to treat trading as a business. So I have multiple trading tools that I use that obviously I pay a monthly fee for.
Yeah.
Right. I have, you know, the news terminals, and then I have my analytic statistics on my own trading performance. And within that, you know, you do your pre-market analysis, and in your pre-market analysis, you have your game plan for the day. Hey, I'm looking for this, and this based off of the research I did last night.
Gotcha.
And that's how you kind of move forward throughout the day.
For sure. Now, when you're doing your like when you're seeing like 30K a month and whatnot, what was like
The big day for me.
you're like, damn, I'm here, bro. I arrived.
Yeah, bro. So it was a big position that I had taken on. It wasn't even like a crazy trade. 'Cause I was like risking like $2,000 on that trade.
Wow.
Right. So this was way back then. This was like 2019.
Okay.
Right. And this was my first big trading day. Like, this was a big breakthrough for me in my trading career. I was actually short on a forex pair, USD JPY, and some news had come out randomly. So I got home and I checked my trade. I'm up maybe like $1,000 on a swing position. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, you know, I'm expecting to make maybe like $3,000-$4,000 on this trade, and that's where my take profit is, right? My stop losses were already set at break even, so it's a risk-free trade. You know, I don't have to like actively monitor the trade. All I have to do is come back every like 30 minutes, maybe adjust my stop loss lower, so I could secure more unrealized gain.
Right.
So I go downstairs, I let my dog out to the backyard, I play with her for like 5 minutes. I come back to my office and I see my computer screen, just one huge, massive candlestick to the downside. I'm like, am I like playing, am I like watching a video of somebody else's trade?
That's funny.
And I look and I see $35,000 on the screen. I'm freaking out. I'm like, is this a video? And I'm like, no, this is actually happening live. And I'm like, what the I check my phone because I have my trading application on my phone too, and I'll see $35,000 and I start like freaking out. I'm like, what the do I just keep letting it go? What do I do? And like so many thoughts come into my head. It's like, okay, well, do I close the trade now and secure 35K because I was only expecting to make $4,000 or $5,000?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Or do I try and let it run? You know? And ultimately, it went from like 35 to like 40 to then 35 to then 32, and I'm like, I'm closing it. And I closed my first $30,000 trading day.
That is dope. And then from there, it just kind of just went up, huh?
Yeah, and then from there, I mean, there was just so much more money inside of my trading account. I was able to slowly, you know, just start compounding and building that trading account. And then ultimately, withdrawals were a big thing for me. So I was withdrawing a lot of profit every single week. I made my return back on my investment because on that specific trading account, I invested maybe like $15,000 into that account, which was, I mean, at that time was probably like a quarter of my net worth. You know, so it was big for me.
Hell yeah.
And then it just slowly started to grow, compound, and I just started to invest into other businesses. I made other investments, and ultimately everything grew to where I'm at today.
Yeah. Kind of touch on the trading. So you were day trading?
Yeah.
Like,
That was good.
It's so 5 days a week day trading. Is it, what, 9 to 5? Is that like you have to like be on the computer the whole time?
Well, nowadays,
I'm just saying this for like everyone that like wants to understand it.
Yeah. So nowadays, I mainly just trade the New York Stock Exchange Open, since I am trading essentially the stock market again, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq. Right. So I'll never trade the actual open itself. I'll always wait 5 minutes until the open because, again, like a ton of orders are coming into the market during the open itself. So there's just a lot of volatility. There could be a lot of liquidity grabs, right? So I avoid trading the first 5 minutes of the open. After that is when I can already allow myself to start taking positions. And again, like I'm on the computer at already 8 a.m., like 8:30 the latest, because I'm doing my pre-market analysis. I'm going through my checklist, everything we discussed prior. And I'll only trade from roughly like 9:35 to like 11 a.m. That's like my cutoff time, because then volume starts to die off a little bit for lunchtime, and then it'll pick back up later in the day. But again, like I decided to just focus on like that first intraday volatility early in the morning, that first kind of like early morning session of the day where volume is essentially the highest. Then after that, it's like, okay, no, I'm done. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go work on my other businesses.
Yeah. So you said the S&P 500 is all you trade?
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq.
Describe what that is for the people that don't know.
I mean, the S&P 500, you're just talking about an index fund where you have your top 500 companies. So instead of trading an individual stock, you're trading a combination of all those other stocks just put together into one asset class. Then the Nasdaq is the top 100 tech companies.
Is the S&P 500 like very volatile?
Yeah, yes. So I mean, it depends on the day. There could be a lot of choppiness, but there's a lot of volatility, and where there's volatility, there's money.
How much are you using to trade?
So I mean, my ultimate goal is to start my own fund and have 100 million plus under management. You know, I mean, when you're trading like capital that large, I mean, the returns are a lot smaller, obviously. So I have different portfolios for different reasons. Sometimes I'll put maybe like 25,000 into a trading account and see how fast I can grow that within like 30 days. So in August, actually, and this is all documented and put on my YouTube channel, in August of last year, 2022, I put 100 grand into a trading account, and within that same month, like it took me maybe like 45 days, I turned into 1.2 million.
Wow.
When
but this is only S&P 500?
S&P 500 and the Nasdaq.
What exchange do you use again, or brokerage, or?
I mean, there's a few brokerages. Sometimes I'll switch to better brokerages. So I trade on a brokerage right now called HeroFX. Yeah, so they're a forex brokerage.
Oh, okay. So got you. So,
I mean, I've traded with like Ninja Trader. I've tried trading on Thinkorswim, but I didn't really like the platform itself because I come from a background of trading on MetaTrader.
Got you. Okay, and those are pretty like mainstream.
Yeah, like especially like all the regulated brokerages, because you could trade regulated brokerages and use lower leverage, and obviously like your money's a little bit more secure because there's insurance involved. But I mean, if the brokerage goes down, like regulated or unregulated, it doesn't matter. You're losing money. You know, if I have $1 million in a trading account with Forex.com and they go down, I'm insured up to like $250,000. You know, I still take a $750,000 loss.
What do you think all?
So, what I would say is this young man, 24 years old, he's absolutely crushing it, multi-millionaire. And some of the things he's saying, like advice-wise, it sounds sound. I'm just not big into, you know, day trading and stuff like that, just because of the loss. The potential losses can be devastating. With a capital D, devastation. Like I'm on about, it could be brutal. So if you have a long-term investment mindset, I mean, even him, he took majority of his profit and started other businesses because he knows, very volatile. The risks, when it works, it works. When it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, but yeah. Let me know if you like this video. Like, subscribe, link in the description for the Patreon. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next